Hi! In front of me is CUBOT tablet Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration settings on this CUBOT. First of all, just open Settings and tap on Sound section after scrolling down. Then you need to tap on Vibrate Vocals and select one of those options for your incoming calls by clicking on the best one. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first and ring gradually. I will go with Never Vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Over here you can also scroll down and choose shortcut to prevent ringing. Then set up vibration over here by clicking on Vibrate. Lastly, go back, scroll all the way down and choose Advanced. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to turn them on or off, and manage touch vibrations by clicking on this switcher next to touch vibration feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!